Hi there, Anneka here. I'm the founder of BakeClub and I just wanted to let you know about something really exciting that we'll be launching in November this year. It's called BakeClub Co and will basically become an exclusive members-only inner circle of BakeClub. It will be a paid membership that will not only provide you with more baking inspiration, more guidance and more fun, but also make BakeClub more accessible to you. Think of it as a special baking community where you can strongly connect with others who love to bake, no matter where you live in the world. It will be a membership that is created for you. So there's two things I wanted to ask you. Firstly, is this something that would interest you? And secondly, if you joined, what would you like to get out of this kind of membership? I would really value and appreciate your thoughts on this. So just use the links to join the waitlist and or give us some feedback on what you would like out of a membership like this. And I really hope that you will become part of this new inner circle of BakeClub.